aboard the alphabet train. Through the rainbow, down the lane, let us grow and sing with cheer. Phonics fun for kids is here. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat, tat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for goat, goat. H is for hat, hat, soap. Next up. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jug, jug. K is for kite, kite, L is for lino, lino. M is for mango, mango. N is for nest, nest. O is for orange, orange. P is for parrot, parrot. Let's go on. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for fan, fan holder. W is for watch, watch. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yak, yak. Z is for zebra, zebra. A to Z is Santa in a magical way. Clap your hands, the journey is done. Phonics train is full of fun.